from the longest horn among the other antelopes. Their horn, shaggy hair under their throats. As their name suggests, they have a strong connection with the water. Using it, they evade the predators. Also, they have the distinctive smell. Males have horns while females do.
That is cheetah. Mabay na cheetah.
Isa to ang isa nag-una. Dali na din.
Giraffe. What is that? Kita-kita.